share buyback tax changes in budget 2026, how it is beneficial for shareholders. First of all, need to understand what is buyback of shares. In stock market, daily buying, selling, all of you can understand, but buyback share is the thing where company want to reduce its share capital from the market. So whoever are the shareholders in the public, from that it buys back the shares. At that time company offer good amount which is always more than the actual rate going on at that time in the market. So earlier it was like whatever amount you was getting, all amount was coming under the head income from other sources, and it was being taxed as a dividend. So on all amount you have to pay the taxes as per your slab rate. So if you are in the 30% slab rate, so all the amount, suppose you got 5 lakh, on 5 lakh 30% flat you have to pay, and that was earlier. But now the thing has been changed since last budget 2026. Now when you sell the shares to company, that is company buy back its shares, then at that time the same like what happens in stock market, it will get taxed under the head capital gains. Means suppose you got 5 lakh rupees, but when you buy those shares at that time price was 2 lakh, so only 5 lakh minus 2 lakh, that is only on 3 lakh rupees amount you have to pay the taxes, and that amount is coming under the long term capital gain. Then again you are going to get 1.25 lakh benefit, provided you have not taken any long term capital gain from anywhere. And so 3 lakh minus 1.25 lakh, that is 1.75 lakh amount you are going to get taxed as per the tax rate, that is 12.5%.